Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with Facebook Messenger not working after iOS 17 update, then we are here with quick solutions for it. So let's get started. Firstly, restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can often fix various software glitches. Press and hold the power button until the slide to power off appears, or simply go to the automatic touch available on your iPhone. After that, we will have to make sure that we have the latest version of Messenger installed on our iPhone. So, in order to do that, simply go to the App Store in your iPhone. Then, inside App Store, type down Messenger on its search address bar and search for it. And if there is update tab available, then update it to update new version of Messenger. After that, you can simply open your Messenger and make check that if it runs properly or not. And if this also does not work, then simply go to the settings. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on general, then simply scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So what happens, resetting network settings can sometimes resolve issues related to connectivity, including problems with apps like Facebook and Messenger. So after you do that, simply go back to the home screen again. So in home screen, tap on your messenger and simply tap on remove app option and delete it. And simply go to your app store and reinstall a messenger app. This can sometimes resolve persistent issues with the app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.